Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so BitLocker runs reliably. You need Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise and a functional TPM2. Zero chip. If TPM is missing, you can use a USB startup key instead. Once that's set, make sure Secure Boot is enabled in UEFI to prevent tampering. Now open Settings, navigate to System Storage Advanced Storage Settings, and select Device Encryption or BitLocker settings to start the encryption wizard. This gets you into the first actionable screen. Once done with prerequisites, you choose Encryption Options and the recovery key location. You'll pick either encrypting use space for speed or the entire drive for full protection. Choose AES 128 for faster performance or AES 256 for stronger security. Make sure you save the recovery key to your Microsoft account, a USB, or a printed file, because you'll need it if you forget your password. Then start encryption. The progress shows time remaining, and you can continue working while BitLocker encrypts in the background. To complete the process, confirm the drive shows as fully encrypted in BitLocker management and reboot to validate startup behavior. You should test the recovery key immediately by simulating a recovery scenario on a spare system or virtual machine. This ensures you can restore access if needed. If the drive fails to encrypt or BitLocker won't start, check TPM health and secure boot settings, update storage and chipset drivers, and ensure group policy doesn't block BitLocker. These steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.